Hello viewers, I'm Jessica. Today, we bring you an exclusive interaction with Dr. Neha Vashisht, Director, University Admissions and Outreach Cell, Shobhit University. What should students prioritize when choosing a university? Let's hear what ma'am has to say.
Hello viewers, this is me Sakshi Shukla and you're watching the Edu Bulletin. Today we are here at the Education and Career Fair 2026 which is being organized by Times of India at Hotel D Roses, Meerut, Kent, and with me we have Dr. Neha Vashisht, and with ma'am I would like to know how is the experience being here, and we would like to know about your university and what do you do.
So as Shukla ji has introduced me, my name is Dr. Neha Vashisht and I'm working with Shobhit University as Director, University Admissions and Outreach Cell. So we have come here to participate in the education fair to make the students aware about different programs which we are offering. Shobhit University is a NAAC A-grade aggregated university and we are in the education industry from last 37 years. And then if we talk about the university, then we are offering programs in management, education, engineering, biotechnology, biomedical, agriculture engineering. But today among students, there are so many choices. Students are confused. That is the purpose of such education fairs, where the student on a same platform, they get to know about different universities, different career exposures. And being a university, it is our responsibility to make students aware that in what career choices they can pursue their career. To strengthen that, Shobhit University organizes Student Transition and Empowerment Program, in which we make students aware about different career opportunities, what we are doing, and especially for girls, it is a very, among Meerut or in West UP, it is one of the campus which is very safe for females. We are into female scholarships, girl child scholarship, which is up to 100%. And then there are different programs, different exposures, which are like, because in student mind, they usually feel that private university is equals to high fee.
Right.
So we are not about that. It is about ROI. So girl child, I urge all the students that please make your career choice wisely, invest your money, choose a program where ROI, return on investment, on the fee you pay is high. Do visit Shobhit University.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I would like to know how is the response from the students and what are the general queries do they most have, because there are so many career options, and do you see any shift in their career choices as well?
So a big change because of new education policy and in the norms of UGC, a big change is that students are now more towards artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning. Even the students of humanities, they are also showing their interest in BTech computer science basically. And then there are different career choices in which they want to pursue their career. But surprisingly, there are more career options after COVID specifically, like biotechnology, biomedical, in which also students are now wants to make their career. Psychology is also one of a career choice in which student wants to explore if they can, move further.
Right. So, ma'am, like there is a huge shift in the career choices and how students are choosing their careers as well. So, what shift do you see in choosing the colleges as well? Like earlier, we talked to somebody and he said now students are choosing, they have to have the academics and also they need so many other things as well, includingly. So, what do Shobhit University offer differently to students, and what do they see when they come to the Shobhit University, and what do they literally ask that these should be the things that we want?
So being a teacher by soul, I feel the students should talk about academics more. But surprisingly, students ask about campus life, which celebrity visited your university, how many fest you organizes in a year. But I personally feel before choosing any program, any university, the students should talk about three things. One is academics, second is placement, third is ROI.
Right.
Rest, other things, they will come. I mean, if you have money, you can do anything.
Right.
But if you invest money, and if you're not investing it, if you're wasting it, you're doing a program which is for 4 years, 5 years, and you're spending 10 lakhs, and you're not being skilled to be placed. And also, student also has to understand that university are not some job fair company.
Right.
Universities are there to make them skilled. So they have to ask questions, what skill factor university would be able to add in their career or in their CV. That is one important thing. Rather than asking university which celebrity, we can go to different fests and then we can explore that things. So that is one shift also which students are now asking. Yes.
That's a very logical advice to all the students, ma'am. Thank you so much for talking to the Edu Bulletin, and all the best wishes to Shobit University. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Save 721 707 0100 and send hi on WhatsApp for daily education news and exclusive updates from the Edu Bulletin.